Bats are known to carry a significant number of viruses, and there are a few reasons for this. Ecological factors. Bats are highly diverse and abundant mammals, comprising around 20% of all known mammal species. They inhabit various ecosystems, including tropical rainforests, caves, and urban areas, allowing them to come into contact with different types of viruses and pathogens. Longevity and adaptation. Bats have a long lifespan compared to other mammals of similar size. Their extended lifespan provides them with more opportunities for viral exposure and accumulation over time. Moreover, bats have evolved efficient immune systems that allow them to tolerate and coexist with viruses that are harmful to other animals. Flight and migration. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. Their ability to fly over long distances and migrate between regions facilitates the spread of viruses. Migration can bring different bat populations into contact with each other, leading to the exchange of viruses between various bat species. Roosting behavior. Bats often roost in large colonies, sometimes consisting of thousands or even millions of individuals. This high population density increases the chances of viruses spreading within the colony. Close proximity, coupled with social behaviors like grooming and food sharing, can facilitate viral transmission. Immunological traits. Bats have unique immunological traits that differ from other mammals. For example, their immune systems exhibit a heightened inflammatory response but also have mechanisms that regulate this response, preventing excessive tissue damage. This balance allows bats to tolerate high viral loads without suffering severe disease symptoms. Virus-host dynamics. Bats have co-evolved with viruses over millions of years, resulting in complex interactions and adaptations. Some viruses may establish a long-term relationship with bats as hosts without causing significant harm, while other viruses may cause diseases in other animals, including humans, when they spill over from bats. It's important to note that while bats carry a large number of viruses, they do not pose a direct threat to human health under normal circumstances. However, when viruses are transmitted from bats to other animals or humans, they can potentially cause disease outbreaks. Understanding the factors that contribute to the viral diversity in bats is crucial for studying and preventing such spillover events in the future.